Here are the 5 biggest mistakes that can destroy your car engine, and let's make sure you avoid them. Mistake number 1, revving a cold engine.
This right here is exactly why you shouldn't be skipping oil changes. Look how dirty this is.
Mistake number 3, ignoring engine overheating.
Mistake number 4, driving on low fuel. Low fuel destroys your fuel tank and damages your car.
Mistake number 5, wrong gear usage.
Protect your engine and make sure to subscribe.